Good morning, kids. You can see a glass and look at it either half full or half empty. That will depend on whether you look at the positives around you or negatives. Yes, children. So today our story is based on positive thinking, the black dot. So let's read. A teacher entered his class with a bunch of papers in his hand. The student instantly understood that he was going to give them a test, and they were collectively groaned from the class. The teacher simply smiled and started handing over the sheets to the student. To their consternation, the paper only had a single dot on them. They looked at their teacher inquiringly, waiting for the question. I want you to write what you see in front of you. Sir, it is just a black dot. He just shrugged and said, use your imagination. So now children, now this is a teacher who entered in his class with a bunch of paper. So the students came to know that he is going to give them a test. So the teacher distributed the papers to the student and asked them to see what they can see on the paper and write about it. So one student said, we can only see a black dot on the paper. So the teacher says, use your imagination and see more on the paper and write. The students looked at each other, scratched their heads, and finally some of them started putting words on the paper. Half an hour later, the teacher collected the paper and told them that he would discuss the result the next day. All of you have written about the black dot that you see it on the paper. He started his class the next day. So now everybody scratched their head and were thinking what to write. Finally, they started writing on the paper. So after half an hour, teacher took the paper and he said, we will discuss the result the next day. So the next day, teacher said that you have all written about the black dot what you saw on the paper. Now let's see what happens. Not even a single student has written about the white expanse of that paper that was visible on the sheet. This is the same way the most of us approach our problems too. All of you have so many things in your life to be thankful for. You have wonderful parents and friends. You are healthy with no major illness. There is much in your life to be thankful for. That is what the white part of paper was. What happens when there is any problem, even a small one? You concentrate only on that. That is the black dot on the paper. Your anxieties, your fears, they make you forget the good that you enjoy. So now the teacher said that everybody of you wrote about the black dot. Nobody wrote about the expand of white sheet that you had. So that was to explain that we only see when we have a problem. We only see the problem. We do not see that how blessed we are, that we have such lovely family, we have loving parents, we have friends, we have everything with us, and we should be grateful for that. We don't have any major illness. We are fit and healthy. But what happens when we have problem in life? We get anxious. We fear that problem, and because of that we don't look at the brighter side of our life. So the teacher said that we have to see the brighter side of things. The problems are part of life. They will come, they will go, but we should not let problem affect our life. To this, a student stood and asked a simple question. What is it that we can do to change this, sir? The teacher smiled, happy that the student was listening. A very simple change can help you in a huge way. Develop a positive attitude towards whatever you're facing in life. Every situation has a positive and negative aspect to it. Concentrate on which is right instead of which is not. So now the one student got up and said, sir, what should we do so that we see only the bigger picture of life? So the teacher said, for that you just need to develop one thing in life, that is a positive thinking. Yes, children, problems are part of life. They will come, and because of problem we relish our life, we enjoy our life. Every problem has a solution, but if we would sit back, be dull, think about the problem only, we will miss on the opportunity that life is giving us. Okay, So you should always think positively. If there is a problem, there is a solution, and the problem will also go away, right? So nothing is permanent in life. Same way as problems are also not permanent in life. So this was the lesson that the teacher taught the students, is to always think positive in whatever situation you are. Enjoy your life and be happy. Okay, so I hope you like the story, and you will also develop a positive thinking towards life, children. It is very important, children. Because of positive thinking, you would grow in life. You will understand your strengths, you will face problems, and you will understand that every problem has a solution to it. Okay, with this I take your leave. I will see you in the next class. Bye bye, children. Take care.